Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you these wireless earbuds here with Bluetooth 5.3 technology. These are headphones with 40 hours of playtime if you are going to use the case, the reloading case of course. Deep bass function, HiFi stereo Bluetooth earphones here with 4 ENC noise cancelling HD microphones. It's IP7 waterproof. These are earbuds for sport, in-ear Bluetooth earbuds with LED display. These are the Smoonigh A60 Pro. We have Immersive Sound with deep bass in this price range. The wireless headphones here adopt unique stereo design and 14mm big composite diaphragm to produce powerful sound with 43% more bass. It supports AAC high-quality audio decoding to produce professional-grade sound, unlike the semi in-ear phones. A60 Pro in-ear phones here comes with 3 ear caps of different sizes. This providing more varying options, which is more secure and not easy to drop them, because they will match to your ears. And we have Bluetooth 5.3 and Effortless Connectivity possibilities. These earbuds features with the advanced Bluetooth 5.3 chip supports HSP HFP A2DP AVRCP, and we can get 2 times faster transfer speed. That means 80% higher than the previous generation. The power consumption is reduced by 30%, provide us with a more stable connection and perfect audio and video synchronization. After connecting for the first time, the wireless earphones will detect and pair with our device when we open the charging case again. And we have crystal clear calls and the touch control. The wireless headphones adopt 4 mics design and any ENC noise cancelling technology that effectively block out 80% of background noises, allowing us and the caller to hear each other better and make calls with minimal background noise possible. The Bluetooth earbuds here adopts a high precision touch chip for touch control. We just touch each earbud with our fingers to quickly implement all functions, such as Siri or voice commands, make calls, change the music, control the volume, answer or reject calls, and so on. And 40 hours of playing time and an LED power display is here. The in-ear wireless headphones works for 8 hours on a single charge and up to 40 hours with a charging case, which is included with fast charging Type-C interface. The wireless earbuds Bluetooth be fully charged in only 1.5 hours. The LED display on the charging case shows us the charge level of the case as well as the in-ear Bluetooth headphones, so we can precisely control the charge level of our headset for our convenience on the go. And it's lightweight and IPX7 waterproof. The stylish and compact semi-elliptical design makes charging case smaller and more convenient to carry. And the sport earbuds are ergonomically designed. Each earphone weighs only 4 grams. This allows us to wear them for a long time without feeling uncomfortable. The IP7 waterproof sports headphones are equipped with a nano-coated waterproof material, which can effectively prevent splash damage caused by sweat and raindrops, especially for sports, workout, for the gym for example. And Smoonigh is young consumers electronics brands mainly engaged in superior quality Bluetooth earphones. They thrive to bring high quality, comfortable and powerful Bluetooth earbuds to us customers. The A60 Pro wireless earbuds here come with IP7 waterproof, smart touch control, secure and comfort, one-step pairing, deep bass and LED display. This is professional audio and fast charging, and it's not so expensive. The A60 Pro Bluetooth headphones adopts AAC plus SPC audio decoder and a 14mm moving coil unit, which increase the frequency bandwidth by 25%. resulting in unique hi-fi sound. Fully charged charging case in just 1.5 hours with a quick charge USB-C cable. The wireless sports earphones can last for 6 up to 8 hours playtime from a single charge and more than 30 extra hours in the compact charging case. We have SBC plus CVC 8.0 decoding protocol, 104 decibel horn sensitivity, Bluetooth 5.3, 40mm driver, and ENC effectively attenuate environmental noise and make the call clearer. We have a talk microphone on the bottom side and an ENC mic on the upper side. That means 4 microphones. Yeah. The noise-cancelling earbuds adopt 4 mic design and ENC noise-cancelling technology that effectively block out of 80% of background noise and makes our call and our voice 3 times clearer. We will be clearly heard on the other side, even in noise environment like subway stations. 6 up to 8 hours single charge, 40 with charging case. This is a long time of use. The power display gives us information what's going on with the recharging. And we have touch control. If there comes a call, we can hold it to 2 seconds right or left to reject call and hang up. We can push 1 time to answer the call right or left. 3 times Siri will be activated, for example. If we go to 2 seconds, hold it right or left while we are hearing a song, we can switch the song easily. If we push 2 times right or left, we can make play and pause. And 1 time pushing right or left means volume up or volume down. So you can use it easily as driving, fitness, working, resting, and so on. And we are going to recharge it easily and fast. And it makes a good sound. This is the Smoonigh A60 Pro wireless earbuds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.